Alright, homesteaders. One of the things to live off grid, off utilities, is get a propane on-demand hot water tankless heater. This one just finally came in. I've been without hot water for approximately a month and a half due to the store and eBay and sellers and everything messing around and not shipping it out when it was supposed to be shipped, and things that went wrong. But that's the life of a homesteader. But anyhow, today I'm going to be installing my propane hot water heater. And here, as you see, I've got a 100-pound propane tank, which has a bivalve on it. One goes to my dryer, which is a propane dryer, because I can't run electric off of the solar system. It takes too much power. And then the other valve will go to the propane hot water heater. And the reason my hot water heater went out is because where that 90-degree is, I did installer error, and I didn't have pipe on the inside, and on the outside I didn't have pipe. So on the outside I added a 90-degree, another 1-foot section, and a cap outside so the cold air doesn't blow into the tankless water heater and freeze the top. So we're going to go ahead, install it right there on the wall, and then we're going to tap in off of one of the valves, the cold water inlet, and then down here by the freezer is my intake hot water line. So we're going to go ahead and run that over, and then run the propane line to propane tank, and we'll be set. Alright, let's cross our fingers. I got the flue in. I got the propane hooked up. Got the hot water. And I got the intake water. Everything goes in. And as you can see there, hot water goes in the bottom, and then cold water goes to my house and everywhere else from the filter. So let's go ahead, turn the cold water switch on. Let's see. Alright, we're going to turn this up to the winner. We're going to turn the flame up to there and turn the water down a little bit. Alright, so let's see. Turn the propane back on. Let's go ahead and look. No leaks on the hot water, no leaks on the cold water, no leaks down here, and no leaks down there. Now let's see if the water is working. And there we go. Propane on-demand hot water. I will finally be able to take a hot shower after about a month and a half of not being able to. If you enjoyed this video and this little editorial, please like, subscribe, and share this. Thank you. Live happy, live free. That's the only way to be.